What if I told you that the first meal of your day could be the key to a healthier liver? Welcome to a healthier start to your day. If you're looking to support your liver health, you're in the right place. Today, we're exploring breakfast foods that can help manage fatty liver disease. Fatty liver disease is a growing concern, but did you know that your diet can make a significant difference? Let's dive into breakfast options that are not only delicious but also liver-friendly. We will present to you 5 breakfast ideas. Fatty liver disease occurs when too much fat builds up in the liver cells. A balanced diet can help reduce fat accumulation in the liver. A liver-healthy breakfast should include lean protein sources like eggs to support liver function and high-fiber foods such as oats and whole grains to promote digestive health, and must include monounsaturated fats to balance the meal. Key components of a liver-healthy breakfast. 1. Lean protein sources. Lean protein sources like eggs are essential for supporting liver function. The liver requires adequate protein to maintain its structure and function properly. Eggs are a great source of high-quality protein and contain essential amino acids that support liver health. 2. High-fiber foods. Including high-fiber foods such as oats and whole grains in your breakfast can promote digestive health, which in turn supports liver function. Fiber helps in the proper digestion and absorption of nutrients, and it also aids in the removal of toxins from the body, reducing the burden on the liver. 3. Monounsaturated fats. Monounsaturated fats can help reduce liver fat. Diets rich in these fats have been shown to decrease liver fat content and improve liver enzyme levels, which are markers of liver health. Fatty liver disease is often associated with inflammation. Monounsaturated fats have anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce inflammation in the liver and other parts of the body. Olive oil, avocados, nuts and seeds are examples for monounsaturated fats. Here are some nourishing breakfast ideas that can help promote a healthier liver. We are discussing 5 ideas. Starting with Greek Yogurt Parfait with berries is a delicious and nutritious option that is perfect for breakfast, a snack, or even dessert. This protein-rich dish is made with creamy Greek yogurt, which is packed with probiotics and essential nutrients. The addition of fresh berries, such as strawberries, blueberries, or raspberries, provides a burst of antioxidants, vitamins, and fiber. Layered together in a glass or bowl, this parfait is not only visually appealing but also a great way to showcase the vibrant colors and flavors of the berries. Whether enjoyed as a standalone treat or as part of a balanced meal, this Greek Yogurt Parfait with berries is a satisfying and wholesome option that is sure to please. Next, we will present an avocado breakfast. Avocados are rich in monounsaturated fats, which have been shown to help reduce the accumulation of fat in the liver. Incorporating avocados into a fatty liver-friendly breakfast can be both delicious and nutritious. You can try avocado toast by spreading mashed avocado on whole grain bread and adding a squeeze of lemon juice. Another option is an avocado smoothie with spinach, banana, and almond milk. For a hearty meal, make an avocado and egg breakfast bowl with mixed greens and cherry tomatoes. You can also create an avocado and salmon wrap using a whole grain tortilla, or an avocado and Greek yogurt parfait with berries and nuts. Lastly, an avocado and black bean breakfast burrito with scrambled eggs and salsa is a great choice. These meals provide healthy monounsaturated fats and other liver-friendly ingredients. The third suggestion is sweet potato and egg. Sweet potato and egg breakfast baskets are not only a delicious and satisfying breakfast option, but they also provide a powerful combination of protein and nutrient density. Eggs are a fantastic source of high-quality protein, containing all 9 essential amino acids that the body needs for growth and maintenance. Additionally, eggs are rich in vitamins and minerals such as vitamin D, vitamin B12, selenium, and choline, all of which are essential for overall health. On the other hand, sweet potatoes are packed with essential nutrients, including fiber, vitamins A and C, manganese, and antioxidants. the nutrient density of sweet potatoes makes them an excellent choice for supporting a healthy immune system, promoting good vision, and reducing the risk of chronic diseases. When combined, the protein content of eggs and the nutrient density of sweet potatoes make for a balanced and nutritious breakfast that can help keep you feeling full and energized throughout the morning. Whether you're looking to increase your protein intake or boost your nutrient consumption, sweet potato and egg breakfast baskets are a delicious way to start your day on the right track. Next up is delicious oatmeal with berries and nuts. Rolled oats are rich in dietary fiber, especially beta-glucan, which helps improve liver health by reducing fat and sugar absorption. This lowers cholesterol and prevents fat buildup in liver cells, essential for managing fatty liver disease. Fresh berries like blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries are full of antioxidants, particularly anthocyanins, which combat oxidative stress and inflammation in the liver. This supports liver tissue regeneration and healing. Adding a handful of nuts such as almonds, walnuts, or pecans provides healthy monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats, along with proteins. These fats reduce liver inflammation and improve lipid profiles. Nuts are also rich in vitamin E, an antioxidant that protects liver cells from damage. A drizzle of honey adds natural sweetness and antioxidants with anti-inflammatory properties, avoiding the negative effects of refined sugars. This breakfast offers a balanced mix of carbohydrates, proteins, and healthy fats, providing sustained energy without blood sugar spikes, crucial for maintaining stable glucose levels and preventing further liver damage in fatty liver patients. The fifth suggestion is a smoothie with spinach, banana, and flaxseed. Fresh spinach leaves are rich in antioxidants like vitamins A and C, and fiber. These antioxidants reduce oxidative stress and protect liver cells, while the fiber aids digestion, regulates blood sugar, and helps remove toxins, supporting liver health. Bananas are a great source of potassium, which maintains normal liver function, reduces blood pressure, and balances electrolytes. Potassium also helps break down carbohydrates and proteins, preventing fat buildup in the liver. Flax seeds are high in omega-3 fatty acids, which reduce inflammation, a common issue in fatty liver disease, and protect liver cells. They also contain lignans, antioxidants that further support liver health. Using unsweetened almond milk as the smoothie base provides a low-calorie, dairy-free option that is gentle on the liver. Almond milk is fortified with essential vitamins and minerals like vitamin E and calcium. Adding a teaspoon of honey offers natural sweetness without the negative effects of refined sugars. Honey has antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties, making it a better sweetening choice for supporting liver health. There you have it, a selection of delicious and nutritious breakfasts to help manage fatty liver disease. By starting your day with these liver-friendly options, you're taking a positive step towards better health. Thank you for joining us today. For more health tips and recipes, be sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated. Until next time, take care of your liver, and have a wonderful day.